There are many homeopathic remedies to treat chronic depression and anxiety. Also, damages caused such as insomnia, increase of appetite, acidity, and digestion problems. Having occasional anxiety is a normal part of the life. However, people with anxiety disorder frequently have intense, excessive, and persistent worry or fear about everyday situation. Often anxiety disorder involve repeated sudden feeling of intense anxiety and fear or panic attacks. These feelings of anxiety and panic interfere with the daily activities, are difficult to control and can last a long time. You may avoid place or situation to prevent these feelings. Symptoms may start during childhood and continue into adulthood. Examples of anxiety disorder include generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorders, specific phobias, and suppression anxiety disorder. You can have more than one anxiety disorder. Sometimes anxiety results from a medical condition that need treatment. Common anxiety signs and symptoms include feeling nervous or tense, having a sense of danger or panic, having an increased heart rate, hyperventilation, sweating, trembling, feeling weak or tired, having trouble sleeping, and having difficulty controlling worry. The causes of anxiety disorder are not fully understood. Life experience such as traumatic events appear to trigger anxiety disorder in people who are already prone to anxiety. Inherited traits also can be factor. There are ways to reduce the risk of anxiety disorders. Remember, the anxiety feeling are natural factor of a daily life, and experiencing those does not always means you have a mental health disorder. I advise my patient to reduce intake of caffeine, tea, cola, and chocolate to help moderate anxiety emotions. Also, maintaining a healthy diet, keep a regular sleep pattern, and avoiding alcohol, cannabis, and other recreational drugs, as these things can trigger your anxiety attacks. An active lifestyle with a balanced diet can help keep anxious emotions with healthy limits.